Shopify is one of the best e-commerce store builders for selling digital products online. So today my focus is to walk you through adding, listing, and selling any digital product with Shopify. I'll also share my top digital product ideas if you're in the early stages of wanting to sell digital products online. Okay, so with that covered, let's go ahead and dive in. Here we are inside my Shopify backend. Now before we get started, and if you're new to Shopify, I've recently put together my most comprehensive Shopify tutorial that covers everything you need to know for building a successful Shopify store. If you're interested in this tutorial, I'll link it down below in the description. Now, if you're unfamiliar with what a digital product is, think of a digital product as something that you create once, and then once a customer purchases that product, they instantly have access to that product. Popular digital products that people sell on Shopify include ebooks, recipes, online courses, photography. Basically, you could sell images or videos, audio clips, music, website templates, as well as other digital templates, and many more different digital product types. If you're interested in selling a digital product, but you're not too sure what digital product to sell, what I'll do is add a link down below in the description that will take you to my top 50 digital product ideas for small businesses. This is a good place to start if you're thinking about selling digital products. If you have an expertise, a skill set, you can turn this into a digital product. Okay, so before we navigate over to add product, we first need to navigate over to apps and install a digital product download app. Simply click on apps and type in EDP, and this is the free digital product download app that we want to install. EDP, Easy Digital Products. There are many apps like this that you can use for selling digital products on Shopify. This is just one of my favorites. Come down and click on install. Click on install again and then approve. And let's go ahead and add our first product. This Easy Digital Products app allows up to 30 orders per month, lists up to 3 digital products, and allows up to 100 megabytes of storage when it comes to uploading your digital products. Then when you reach this limit, you will then need to upgrade to the premium plan. Then just 15 cents for each additional digital product order over 100 orders per month. You then get access to all these other features. Okay, now that we've installed this app, let's navigate back over to products and add a digital product. Add your digital product name, then add your digital product description. Okay, so as you can see, I've quickly added a description. What you want to do is take your time to format your description, use these different options, and feel free to add links, insert images and videos. Again, I'll share how you can do this on the front end when designing your Shopify pages. Navigate down to Add Media, click Open. I'm going to move this image to the cover image, add the product type, MP3 download, the vendor, King Beats, which is our business name, the collection which I added earlier, Premium Beats Collection, and then tags. For better store categorization, I'm going to add MP3 and one more tag, downloads. Okay, I'm happy with that. Then navigate down to category. This is correct. Add a different category if this autofill did not select correctly. Then navigate down to price, $29.99. And if you'd like to add a compare at, feel free to do so. Adding a compare price like this will display like this on my store. This shows your customers that you have a discount on this product. Feel free to add the product cost. This is a digital product, so the cost is very low. You can see we have high profit margins, and that's the benefit of selling a digital product. I'm going to turn inventory tracked off, then physical product, turn this off. This is not a physical product. Then we can come down and add variants. I'm going to leave this, and let's add additional category meta fields. Again, this helps Shopify visitors find the right products that they're after quickly. I'm going to add download format and add MP3. Here's MP3. I'm happy with this. And that's it. Come down, click on save, then navigate back over to this app, Easy Digital Products. Click on add your first digital product again, then create digital product variant. Select the product. This is the digital product that we just added to Shopify. Now we need to actually add the product that the customer will download. For us, this is an MP3 file. However, you can add anything. Now it's best practice to create a PDF that has information on accessing your digital product. That way you can store your digital product somewhere else, like inside Google Drive. That way you won't be limited to the file size. So I suggest you create a PDF. You can do this with Canva and then add a link to a folder inside of Google Drive, which has your digital product, whether it's a video, a PDF, a template, or MP3 like me. Okay, let's click here and add your digital product. Again, like I mentioned, it's best practice to add a PDF that links to an external database. But for me, because this file is small, I'm just going to add this MP3 file directly. Click on open. If you have different variants, Then you can select the specific variant for that product. This product only has one variant, then navigate down. Here you can add a use license key. I'm going to keep no selected. Then with the paid feature, you can limit the downloads per order, as well as limit the download in time. For example, in 1 week or in 1 month, they will not be able to download this product again. We'll leave that for now because we're going to leverage the free plan. Then add a short description. This information here is helpful for your buyers. They will see this short description next to the download button, and they'll see this download button and this description as soon as they purchase your product. Okay, I'm going to add a short description. Click download to get instant access to this MP3 file. Then once you've added your digital download product details, click on upload and save. Give Easy Digital Products a moment to load your file, and just like that, the processing has been complete. And congratulations, just like that, your digital product is now live and your customers can purchase this product. Okay, let's close out of this. Okay, let's navigate back over to products, and you can see we now have 3 products. I'm going to quickly take the time to add one more digital product using the exact same process I just showed you. If you're adding additional digital products or physical products, take your time to add those now. Again, simply follow the process I just showed you. And there we have it for this powerful Shopify app tutorial. Now, if you have any questions about this video, make sure to pop them down below. And with that said, thank you so much for watching this video all the way through to the end. If you got value, make sure you leave a like and subscribe to this channel. And that way I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.